Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to download shipment profitability based on salesperson list in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the accounts module. Here we have to select the job reports to account under the accounts module. On this page, select the shipment profitability based on salesperson menu. Now we will be navigated to the shipment profitability based on salesperson page. Select the date range and salesperson name and then click on the submit button. The shipment profitability based on salesperson list will be displayed on the screen. If you want to download the list, just click option menu and then click on the download option. Select the CSV format. This is how to download shipment profitability based on salesperson list in Fresh application. Thanks for watching.